Hello everyone, I am Rajeshwari Raghuvanshi pursuing MBA from IIPS Indore. This video is part of my data visualization assignment where I work on the set of healthcare department phase and performance different tasks to analyze and visualize the data. So let's begin. Here we are using the data set of healthcare department. So first of all, we'll discuss about the some basic formulas of Excel like conditional formatting, format as table, how to do some, how to make charts and how to make pie charts and so on. So first of all, I'll make the border. So select the range, go to the box, select the all border. So you can see that the border is arranged in organized way. So first of all, and then I'll do the conditional formatting. So I want to know the greater profit greater than the profit is greater than 50,000. So first of all, go to the conditional formatting, highlight the sales. You can see that the greater than, less than, between, equal to, there are so many type of values. So I'll select greater than value. So I'll enter the value 50,000. 50,000, and you can also select the colors like if whichever colors you want, yellow, green, right, and so on. So I'll select the red and click OK. So you can see that the profit is greater than 50,000 is here. And if you want to the cost is less than, so go to the conditional formatting, highlight the sales and less than, select the less than, and 40,000, enter the 40,000 and select the colors. I'll select the yellow colors and click OK. So you can see that the color is this. Okay. You can, and I think this is wrong. So you'll select this range. I'll select the range to clear the format. So also you can go to the conditional formatting, go select the clear rules and click here. So the remaining portion is deleted. Okay. And if you want to highlight, if you want to know the how many patients have the heart disease, so select diagnosis, go to the conditional formatting, highlight sales and select the text that contains and diagnosis. So right here heart and select the color. I'll select the green color, so click OK. So you can see that there are many people who have the heart disease. If you want to know that how much profit, how much total profit hospital generated, so we'll apply some formula like equal to sum, open bracket, M2 is to M51, then bracket close and enter. So you can see that the total profit is generated by hospital is this, and the max, if you want to know the maximum revenue, the maximum revenue is hospital generated. So you can also apply the formula equal to max and open bracket and what is and K2 is to K51, then bracket close, then enter. So you can see that the total maximum revenue is 1,99,141. And if you want to know the average cost, so apply this formula like equal to average, open bracket, and L2 is to L51, bracket close, then enter. So you can see that the two average is this. And if you want to know the minimum profit hospital generated, so also click minimum, open bracket, M2 is to M51, bracket. Basically, this is a formula bar. This shows us the value, the how much value, how minimum, then enter. So you can see that the total minimum profit is 6,704. Okay. And also we'll use some basic functions like if and or and 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 if. if function is generally show us the true and false value. So we'll also apply the formula and we'll also apply this formula. Okay, let's learn about the charts. There are so many types of chart. Basically, the chart is summarize large data quickly to compare data sales by month and to show trends over time to highlight performance. There are so many types of charts like column, bar. Column chart basically shows the data as vertical bars, best for comparing categories, and bar chart shows the same as column chart. It generally shows the horizontally, and line chart shows the data trend over time and month. Then pie chart shows the percentage of the data, and bubble chart shows the three categories. So first of all, I'll make the line chart. So I'll select the range of cost and this. Okay, I'll select this range and go to the insert tab, select the column chart and select this. I'll select this one, and you can see the comparison between cost and profit, and also you can design whichever color you want. So I'll design this black. I want to the color, and you also fill the colors whichever you want, which color you want. So you can change also, and I'll make also the bar graph to select revenue and cost. So go to the insert table, then select the combo chart. Combo chart. I'll make this chart. I'll make this one. Select this. Whichever you want, you can select. Okay, basically, if you want to fill the chart, so you can also fill. Go to the fill and select the color, whichever color you want. I'll select this. Whichever color you want, you can select here. Okay, and I think I'll select this one. This one is better. So I'll select this, and you can also make the bubble charts, and there's so many type of charts. So then let's learn about the scenario managers and goal set. Basically, the scenario manager creates and save different data scenario like best case, worst case, and most likely case in the same worksheet to compare how change in inputs value impact your outcome. So basically, um we'll go the data tab and select this. Okay, first of all, I'll select this. I'll do the total value and equal to sum is to m 2 is to M51, bracket close, then enter. So total value is 16,000 something. Okay. And I think 16 lakh something. And go to the what if analysis and click scenario managers, add some, create the name. I want to make max maximum profit. Profit. I'll give this name profit and select this range. Okay. I think I'll select M2 is to M51. Okay, M51. Okay, sorry, it's not more than 32. So I'll select the M2 is to M30. 30. Click OK. You can also change the value. So I'll change the value. So the total profit will change. Okay. So give the value 30,000. I'll give it 30,000 and it's 20,000. Okay. 20,000. This is also, I'll give 20,000, 20,000 and so on. So select, okay, show. So you can see that the total profits will change. You can see here the total profit also will change. Okay. Total, you can see also this 30, 20 and 20, this the value changed here. So let's go the another topic like pivot table. How to make pivot table. Basically, the pivot table is summarize the data, analyze the data, and it's create the pivot chart. So first of all, I'll select the range. I'll select the range. Go to the insert. Select the pivot table where you want. I'll select existing and select the range where you want the tables. I'll select this and click OK. So you can see that the table is made here. Okay. Like ID, name, gender, department, doctor's cost, revenue, and etc. So go this profit and cost and profit. So you can see that the profit and cost is here. And if I want to do revenue, well, I'll select the revenue. Okay. So total revenue, you can see that 1111. And I'll also make the conditional formatting here. Yeah. You can format table. So go to the select the format table. You can select the table here, whichever you want. I think I'll select this one. You can see that the conditional formatting is here. Okay. So guys, we'll learn about so many things here. How to do conditional formatting, how to format table, and how to color the cells, and how to make charts, and how to make pivot table, how to do sums. We learn so many things, and so we will learn so many things here, coloring and so on. So let's do it, and I'll explain the some basics topic also in next video. So thank you so much.